Anand Ranganathan, who's trying to muddy the waters here?
Good evening, Navika, and good evening to my fellow panelists. You got an amazing panel here and some great erudite intellectual people. Foremost among them, of course, is Vivek ji and Tehseen ji. I would concentrate myself to just asking them very politely a few questions because they've already spoken. I have tremendous regard for Vivek ji and he knows it, and I think he's right. Vivek ji, आपसे सिंपल सवाल है, जैसे आपने कहा रेवन्ना जी का नाम लिया, आपके कहने से should those candidates who are accused of sexual offences under the POCSO Act or any other sexual, should they fight elections, yes or no?
No.
Thank you. So let me just read out to you the POCSO Act section 23 subsection 2, which is prevention of children against sexual offences. Rahul Gandhi, there is a pending case of POCSO of sexual offences against Rahul Gandhi. Should he be fighting elections, yes or no?
Well, I don't know about this. And Tehseen,
नहीं, Bribhushan पे भी बात कर लीजिए. Should Bribhushan be fighting election or not? Yes or no?
It is
from his should Bribhushan Sharan Singh be fighting election from the Bharatiya Janata Party? And can Mr. Nalin Kohli assure me today on this show? Because this show is seen even abroad. So can he assure me that Bribhushan Sharan Singh will not be given a ticket from the Bharatiya Janata Party?
पहले आप जवाब दे दीजिए, फिर नलिन कोहली से ले लेते हैं।
पहले आपने अभी नो कहा ना, जो कि सेक्सुअल ऑफेंसेस केस में एक्यूज्ड है, उसको इलेक्शन नहीं लड़ना चाहिए। तो मैं आपसे पूछ रहा हूं कि राहुल गांधी को इलेक्शन लड़ना चाहिए कि नहीं? उनका एफिडेविट कहता है।
कोई पॉस्को एक्ट है मैम? आई डोंट थिंक
यस, राहुल गांधी का एफिडेविट ये कहता है कि उन पे पॉक्सो एक्ट के थ्रू एक केस है, तो उनको इलेक्शन लड़ना चाहिए कि नहीं? यस और नो?
जिस चीज की मुझे जानकारी नहीं है उसकी उस पे मैं टिप्पणी नहीं कर सकता। आप नाविका जी से पूछिए, बेहतर बता पाएंगे आप।
नाविका जी प्लीज चेक द एफिडेविट, अभी लाइव कर देंगी नाविका जी चेक, मैं एफिडेविट चेक करके आ रहा हूं।
ओके, माय रिसर्च टीम इज चेकिंग दैट।
Thank you. Now I want to talk to Tehseen. Tehseen, it's a very simple yes and no question. You know, when people come to Rahul Gandhi, and say कि सर आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस, वो कह रहा है क्यों आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस में क्यों जा रहे हो? आर्टिफिशियली इंटेलिजेंट पे आओ ना। तो मैं सिंपल पूछ रहा हूँ तहसीन से, तहसीन Rahul Gandhi said this. Was he lying? Was Rahul Gandhi lying when he said PM Modi promised 15 lakhs in every bank account? Was Rahul Gandhi lying when he said Modi has given 30,000 crores to Anil Ambani? Was Rahul Gandhi lying when he said PM wants to end reservation rights for SC, ST and OBC? You answer just the first question. Was Rahul Gandhi lying, yes or no, when he said 15 lakhs should be put in every Indian's account? Would be put in. Yes or no?
Navika, can I be
yes,
allowed
please
to answer?
Respond. Please respond.
Yes, but I would like that if I'm answering, it's not a yes or no answer, because these games, I'm a master of these games, and don't play these silly games with me. So please allow me to answer. It's not a
Is he a lie or not?
It's not a yes. Once you finish, I'll talk. If you want to interrupt me, I won't talk. So you decide. The choice is yours.
You need to come in here.
It's not a yes or no game.
Okay, please respond, Tehseen.
Thank you. My audio is not very good, so there are two things. And I'd like a clarification. Was there an accusation made on Rahul Gandhi, sexual charges on Rahul Gandhi? Because that's what I'd like to address. Also on the 15 lakhs. Was that also made? The sexual charges? Because that's what I believe, that was put up. But I'm not on a very good audio, so I'm trying to figure this out. Did you make those charges, Rahul?
Now, will you please listen to me again very carefully? Because your audio is not good. Your audio is not good at the best of time. So please listen to me. There is a POCSO case against Rahul Gandhi. Prevention of Children Against Sexual Offences Act. There is a case against Rahul Gandhi. I just asked the previous spokesperson if there is a sexual case against any candidate, should he fight elections or no? And he said no. Then I asked him, there is a POCSO case against Rahul Gandhi that he has himself disclosed in his affidavit. Should he fight elections?
Yes. Can I?
Yes.
Can I now reply to this?
Incidentally, that charge carries an imprisonment of 6 months to 1 year.
I would like to respond to this. A case against Rahul Gandhi was registered by the Delhi police, if I'm not mistaken, when he fought for justice for a Dalit girl that was not just was killed unnaturally, she was buried without her parents' consent. So rather than standing by the leader who fought for justice, a case was registered against him. please, if the Delhi police had an
No,
iota of
that
shame,
case
Wow.
is that case now I recall is about identifying the victim,
Yes.
and that that is a case. Even if it's not a case of wrongdoing himself, it's a case of identification of a victim. Anand Ranganathan, I don't think by any stretch of the imagination that applies.
I'm on your show. And allegations made against somebody
Anand Ranganathan, let's be fair. I don't think that charge applies here for Rahul Gandhi not to contest because
No. Let's not run away from the issue.
Please listen to me very carefully. Do
what's
not
your
put words in my
substantive
mouth.
point, Anand Ranganathan?
My
It's
substantive
very
point
unfair,
is,
Rahul
are
Gandhi
we
being
in
put
a
this way.
country? Are we in a country which believes that you are innocent until proven guilty? Because if you're not, then 29% of the MPs cutting across party lines are facing serious charges of rape and dacoity. Because if you are not, then 17% of all candidates in the phase 1 of these elections carry serious charges cutting across parties. 25% of all the Congress candidates in
But that
Gujarat
cannot
right
be
now
the defense
are carrying
of
criminal
that
charges.
cannot be the defense for Prajwal Revanna, and I'll come back. That
I
is
please
the
come
debate
in?
number 2,
Can I
and
please
I
come in?
invite whoever wants to stay on that debate stays. But right now, I don't want to digress from the fake video charge that has come in, and why this is, as the Prime Minister says, why is this going to be something that can light up unrest in our society? And
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.